This is a GCSE exam style question on bonding. Let's give it a try. It's a 4-mark question, so there should be a minimum of 4 points. If we can come up with more than 4, that's okay, but minimum 4. Steel is an alloy made by mixing iron with small amounts of carbon and other metals. Explain why alloys like steel are harder than pure iron. Now, if you remember that when you learn this theory part, you must have seen a diagram where you have pure metal with all atoms that are identical to each other and which has nice layered structures, and in an alloy, you don't really see the structure, something like this. So on the left hand side, this is a pure metal. So all the atoms are identical to each other. So if we exert a force, these layers, like this layer, can easily slide on top of the one underneath. So for an example, this one, you can see they can beautifully like slide on top of each other, so it's malleable. Whereas this one, if you try to exert a force, well, it kind of gets blocked. There are no free paths for these things to move. So let me show you a model answer. So pure iron atoms are all the same size and arranged in layers. That's 1 mark. These layers can slide over each other easily. That's 1 mark. Alloys have atoms of different sizes. Alloys contain atoms of different sizes. So the layers are distorted and it's hard for them to slide. So that will be, 1 mark each. Now, so they are harder will not get a mark. Why not? Because look at the question. The question has explain why alloys like steel are harder than pure iron. Now that fact is already clearly mentioned in the question. I just kind of put it here because it kind of goes with the flow, but I'm not going to get any marks for that. My marks are allocated for these ones, 1 each.